Ready to shake up your fall fitness routine? Hi everyone, welcome to Healthy Her Midlife. I am Christine. I am the creator of this YouTube channel and also the blog healthyhermidlife.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these videos with all of your amazing girlfriends. This fall season is a great time to set up your fitness routine to boost your mood and your energy and get you ready for the holiday season. If you're looking to start a new fitness routine or to shake things up a little bit, I've got a couple of exercise routines for you today. A low intensity workout that you can do at home. And the great thing about both of these workouts is they can be done in about 10 or 15 minutes and then you're out the door. So I'm going to show you some moves that you can easily do. I'm not going to do the complete set for you today. I'm going to demo the moves and give you suggestions on how many reps to do, and you can take it from there. I'll also have a PDF that you can download and go ahead and save it to your computer or your laptop or your phone. So I'm really excited to show you some of the things that I believe you can do easily and get done with your workout so that you can get on with your day. Each move is 30 seconds long, followed by 30 seconds of rest. And then you're going to move on to the next one. And once you've done all 5, you can go ahead and start again and do another round. The great thing about low intensity interval training is it's the low impact version of HIIT, which is high intensity interval training. And it's really designed to alternate between cardio and strength training as well. So it's going to be a total body feel workout for you and very effective. Don't forget about the PDFs that I have available for you so you don't have to memorize this routine. Ready? We're going to start with a warm up. This one's going to be 2 minutes long, 2 moves. So one is a march in place. You're going to go ahead and march in place as fast as you can or as fast as you want to. For 1 minute, you're going to really get your arms moving and get your knees lifting. Okay, and then you'll do that for 1 minute, and then the next move is going to be arm circles again to warm up those arms and shoulders, and you'll do this for 1 minute, maybe 30 seconds one way and then 30 seconds the other way. Okay, after you're done with those 2 moves for 1 minute each, you're ready to start your low intensity interval training workout. Okay, here's the first move. It's a step touch. So you're going to step to the side and then reach down as far as you can. It could be your knee, it could be down to your feet, or maybe somewhere in between. And then you're going to come up and go to the other side. So step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. You're going to do this for 30 seconds and then give yourself a rest for 30 seconds, maybe to get a sip of water. Also, when you're doing these step touches, make sure that your toes stay forward and that you're looking forward so that your toes and your hips are both in line going forward. You don't want to do any rotation at all. You want to keep going forward right here. Move number 2 is a squat with a knee lift. You're going to squat to the side, and when you come up, you're going to lift that knee up, and then squat, lift, squat, lift, squat, lift. Make sure your toes are facing forward. You're coming down as far as you can and lifting that knee up as far as you can. So I'll show you the angle on the side for this. It's going to be a squat, lift, squat, lift. And again, you want to do this for 30 seconds and then stop for 30 seconds, get a sip of water. Okay, your next move number 3 is a side lunge, alternating side to side. So you're going to step out one side, bend that knee, this leg stays straight, both toes are facing forward. So press down, lift up, press down, lift up. Again, you're going to do as many of these as you can for 30 seconds. And up, and I'll show you what that looks like to the side. We're going down and up, down and up. Do it for 30 seconds, and then get a sip of water for 30 seconds. Move number 4 is just a march in place, only you want it to be a little bit more intense. So you want to bring those knees all the way up to hip level. Okay, so you're going to do this for 30 seconds, marching in place. This is going to really get your cardio going. But you can do anything for 30 seconds. And then it's a rest for 30 seconds. And then number 5, you are going to go ahead and have a seat on your floor or your mat or your carpet. And we are going to do seated abdominal twists. So with your knees bent, your heels are on the floor. Knees are slightly together. Remember not to splay them out. Keep them in. Put your hands right up at your chest. Don't move them like this, okay? Keep them at your chest. You want to lean back just a little bit till you feel it. And then you're going to twist right and twist left. Or left and right. Okay? And you're going to notice that your lower body wants to follow the twisting here. Try to keep it still. Maybe bring those knees together if that's helpful for you. Now, if this is too much of a strain on your lower back, go ahead and put your hands right here behind your knees. This helps support you. And you're going to twist right and twist left. Or you can also have your hands here and twist right. I can't do that with my shoulder. This is as far as I go. And then left. Okay, so for me personally, this is actually the hardest move, is the easiest move for me. It would be right and left, keeping those fists right there at the center of your chest. Do this as much as you can for 30 seconds. And then you're going to take a 30-second break. Okay, ladies, that was 2 workout suggestions for you, both beginner. You can modify both of them to make them a little bit harder. You can modify both to make it a little bit easier. The point is to get a little more strength into your daily workout routine. That's going to help you retain the muscle mass or the bone mass and the muscle mass that you have. It's very important for us ladies in our midlife years to really protect our bone health. So even if you can just do twice a week, just try to make it a goal. And in the Fall Into Wellness workbook, this week's worksheet is developing a fitness goal. And I purposefully set it up like a SMART goal because I want it to be very S for specific, measurable. That's very measurable. You're saying how many workouts you're doing within a time frame. A is very important. It's attainable. You want to set a goal that you know it's a little bit of a push, but you know you can accomplish it. R is relevant. So look at the reason why you're setting the goal. And then T would be time-based. So you definitely want to have a time frame in mind that by the end of this time frame, you're going to have that goal done. So go ahead and work on that worksheet. You can use the workouts that I've provided you, or you can look on YouTube, or if you have Fitness Plus, Apple Fitness Plus has lots of great strength training routines. Just pick a 10-minute routine 3 days a week. Go ahead and decide what your goal is going to be and what are the steps that you need to take to get you to that goal. And then the last section of the worksheet is a little bit of journaling prompts on what motivates you. Make sure that when you do feel motivated, really look at why am I feeling this way right now? And write it down so that the days that you don't feel motivated, you can go back and look at, oh yeah, I felt motivated because I was really feeling like my body needs to get stronger, or I had great sleep and I woke up and I had a good breakfast and I had full of energy and I was ready to go. Some of these things are going to give you clues along the way as to what works well for you. Okay, ladies, that's all I have for you this week. I hope you enjoyed my workouts. It was fun for me to get back to class and maybe I can show you more of these workouts in the future if you enjoy them. So don't forget to download that PDF that shows all of the workouts in more detail. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to share this channel with all of your amazing girlfriends. And I will see you next week. And next week is yoga class. Have a good week, ladies. Bye.